Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to make chicken gravy. Very easy recipe. Let's get started. So firstly, for the gravy you need onion. You can take 8 to 10 pieces of onion. Cut it in a very neat slices, okay, as I'm doing here. So I'm done with cutting. And now you need to take oil. Here you need to take 3 full tablespoons of oil, in which you need to add this 8 onions and then fry it till onion gets light what we call brown in color. Not totally brown, but yes, light brown, light red in color. Okay. So next will be your dry fruits for masala. So you can take 1 palm of kaju and 1 palm of almonds, cashew nuts and almonds 1 palm. Okay. So here this onion is getting fried. You need to check. Okay, keep checking because it will get burned very soon. So yes, you need to keep a check on this onion. And then this is hara masala, where we are adding pudina, kothmir and hari mirchi. Hari mirchi will be for about 15 to 20. Yeah, 15 to 20 hari mirchis you have to take here. And pudina, 1 full pudina, 1 full bunch of pudina and 1 full bunch of kothmir. Cut it, chop it, actually chop it, okay. And then if you want, you can have a slit on hari mirchis, or you can, as it is, add in the chicken gravy. Okay, so I'm done here with kothmir, pudina, hari mirchi. Here I have done the slits in the hari mirchi so that taste gets very nice. And then comes curd. Okay, 2 most ingredients are very much important ingredients are curd and onion, from which you can make the gravy. So this is very important. So you can take curd, 1 kg curd. So this is for at least 15 to 20 people. You can have this in the party, you can have this for dinner, anything, but this I am making for 15 to 20 people, okay, for one time. You can adjust it as you want, okay. See, I'm done with onion, light brown in color, light, okay. And then next take karai, what we call in Hindi kadai. So add 3 tablespoons of oil again in it, and add curd in it. Okay, first you need to whisk the curd, you know that. After doing that, you need to add that in oil and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, you can add this almond, onion, cashew nuts, everything in mixture. Okay. So here, as 10 minutes is done, you can add here mirchi, namak, haldi, adrak, lasan. As you have seen, I have added 3 teaspoons of mirchi. Then haldi will be half teaspoon. Then adrak, lasan will be 2 teaspoons, not more than that. Okay. Meanwhile, you need to just what we call this one, we need to grind this masala. Okay, Before grinding, make sure you just roast almonds and cashew nuts, okay, very nicely, so that it becomes a very nice and tasty dish. Okay, after curd is done, you can add this mixture in the curd, in the kadai, you can say, and after that mix it very well till the oil leave its sides. As you know that you need to just stir that masala for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, after that only you can get a very tasty dish. Here meanwhile I am just washing the hara masala, hari mirchi, okay, and then adding in this kadai. In hara masala, kothmir pudina you need to add half here, half we will be adding adding it later on. Okay, your chicken I have washed it, okay, wash the chicken, drain the water, okay. After washing the chicken, add chicken in the sieve so that the water will be drained, and then add what we call this mirchi, namak, haldi, adrak, lesan in this also. So if you are adding 4 teaspoon in total, 2 teaspoon will be here, 2 teaspoon will be in kadai. Okay, so add in that measurement. After that, just mix it well and let it marinate for less than half an hour. Okay, and now I am adding kothmir pudina here. Okay, after that I am adding garam masala. Okay, garam masala in this, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Before adding garam masala, you need to add chicken in this after marinating for half an hour, and then add garam masala, then water, okay, then lemon. I have added 1 full tablespoon of lemon here, 1 full tablespoon. Okay, then mix it very well. And so your dish is ready here. After adding all that, let it sit for 10 minutes and your dish is done. Bye bye.